The 21st century has given us cool things like smartphones, electric cars, drones, and artificial intelligence. But here are the 10 weirdest inventions of the 21st century. At number 10, we have the umbrella drone. Because who wants to hold their own umbrella anymore? This little flying robot follows you around, keeping you dry without you doing anything. Whether it's sunny or rainy, your personal flying assistant has got you covered, literally. Just be careful with low-hanging tree branches. At number 9, we've got the Baby Mop Onesie. Why let your baby crawl around doing nothing when they can clean the floor at the same time? It's like turning your baby into a tiny cleaning machine. Cute, but also helpful. Coming in at number 8, we have the NoPhone. It's a phone that isn't really a phone at all. Made for people who are glued to their phones, it feels like you're holding a phone, but it doesn't do anything. It's great for people who miss the feeling of having their phone in their hand without all the distractions. At number 7, we've got the fish training kit. Ever thought about teaching your goldfish some tricks? This kit helps your fish learn how to do things like swim through hoops or even play soccer. Move over, Olympic swimmers. Your fish could be the next champion. Need a funny way to keep unwanted attention away? At number 6, we've got the Anti-Pervert Hairy Leg Stockings. These stockings make your legs look, well, pretty hairy. Perfect for when you want to say, "I'm busy and I don't care about shaving." Ever thought about eating your own face for breakfast? Well, now you can. At number 5, it's the Selfie Toaster. Just send in a picture of yourself, and this toaster will burn your face onto a slice of bread. Breakfast just got a whole lot more personal. Got hot feet? Not anymore. Coming in at number 4, we have Airconditioned Shoes. These shoes come with tiny fans to keep your feet cool. Sure, they might look a little odd, but at least you'll be the coolest person around, literally. At number 3, we've got the iPotty, because even kids need to stay entertained while they're potty training. This is a potty seat with a stand for an iPad. Let's just hope they don't get too distracted. No one wants a potty time mess. Feeling lonely? No problem, because at number 2, it's the boyfriend pillow. It's a pillow shaped like a man's torso, complete with an arm to hug you. Finally, a boyfriend who lets you sleep without snoring. Ever feel like napping but need to do it in a completely ridiculous way? Enter the ostrich pillow at number 1. This puffy contraption lets you stick your entire head into a soft cocoon so you can nap literally anywhere. Airplane, office, maybe even a subway station. This is weird but also kind of brilliant. So, there you have it. 10 inventions that show how creative, and sometimes strange, people can be. Let us know in the comments which invention you think is the weirdest. Thanks for watching.